How to customize notifications in Google Chat. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of Google Chat app. Now launch it. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars, click on it. Head towards the option of settings. Now over here you will find this option of notification sound. From here you are able to customize the notification sound for your Google Chat app. Likewise, you can customize your chat notifications if you want to disable it or enable it. If you want to enable it, toggle on for this option. Likewise, if you want to disable it, toggle off for this option. If you want to disable notification for this app, you can click on this option of Do Not Disturb. Now from this page, you are able to select a time period, or also you can set it to until a specific time. Likewise, in the case you want to customize notification for a specific conversation, you have to open the conversation for which you want to customize the notifications. Now at the top you will find the username, click on it. With that you will get this option of notification, open it. Now you can set it to notify always or notifications off or mute conversation. If you want to get notified, check in for the option of notify always. If you want to set notification off for this specific conversation, you can check in for the option of notifications off. Likewise, if you want to mute conversation, you can toggle on for this option. So this way you can customize notification in Google Chat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.